Lovely Banks titled Where Would I Be?
I feel so loved. Hi guys, my name is Author Lovely Banks. Say hi. Thank you. So what we're gonna do today is when I say bag talk, you guys are gonna say talk back. The exact same way I say it, okay? You got it? You ready? Bag talk. Oh, y'all are so smart. Bag talk. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So when I start my poem, when I point to you, so the name of the poem is Where Would I Be? So you're gonna repeat every time I point to you, okay? Are we ready? You got this? All righty. Where would we be? If Martin Luther King didn't set us free? No, I didn't point to you. Don't let him mess you up, okay? Let's start over. Where would we be if Martin Luther King didn't set us free? Oh. Where would we be if Rosa Parks took that back seat? Where would we be if Muhammad Ali didn't float like a butterfly and sting like a bee? Where would I be if Maya Angelou didn't write poetry? I tell you where I'd be, uninspired and not set free, to teach and motivate others like me, the doubt of many black kings and queens, that we can't speak our truth and be seen. We're just as educated as our lighter-skinned kings and queens. Do you believe it? We're just as educated as our lighter-skinned kings and queens. We're all a part of Black history. And as we press on, we will transcend into greatness. Let freedom ring, not just from the mountaintops, but from the inside of our souls. So we can answer calls that we are more than qualified for. Sit in peace and not be bombarded by water and dogs dipping at our feet. Because Martin Luther King, Rosa Parks, Maya Angelou, Muhammad Ali, they decided it was time for us to be free and live like God called us to be. That's where I want to be. Where do you want to be?
Woo!
I'm done, guys. Let's do it again. Bag talk. Bag talk. That one will need a little work. You know, I'll come back. All right, guys. I love you.